Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to one more activity.
Let's start our activity. It's a patch technique. For this we'll use a dry brush with the poster color, and firstly we have to draw the pencil sketch effect of a landscape. Let's start making the the 1/4 area. I'm going to start making the grass like this, and now I'm becoming it, this is becoming narrow, and then again just touch the corner. Okay, this is done. Now the next step is you will just start from here, just make a little slope from here, okay, and then come back. Just it should be a little curve like this. Okay, it's our hilly area which we are going to make, and then this area we are going to have some stones. Okay, one and then two, a random stone here, and then here also towards the corner we have a random stone, 1 2 3. Okay, you can make the shape of the stone. Now start making some bushes. Okay, just outline it for the bushes. I have done the outlining. Now I'm going to separate a line, okay, which is starting here and this touching the slope like this. Okay, and then we are going to extend it towards the other corner. Now let's start making the tree. For the tree we have to make different branches. Okay, so you are going to extend the branches, see, like this. I'm going to extend it. Only this tree is there, only we are focusing on a single tree, so you have to have more branches of this single tree. Okay, like this. I'm just extending it, you can see it, 1 2. It's basically one tree, okay, but it's look like there are so many trees, 2 or 3 trees, they are joined together like this. You have to complete. Okay, now you have to leave area, okay, for the, see, I'm just doing it like this, a light sketch for the poster colors, and then here also I'm going to extend the branches like this. You have to extend, and then on the top also you have to have a patch here, because you are going to have a patch here also. Now this is done. Okay, after this the next step is you have to draw the bushes, just a light sketch of the bushes around the tree. Okay, and then you have to have a sketch of a mountain like this. Okay, now it's behind it, so leave, so we'll start it from here, the rest part. With this we have finished the drawing. Okay, it's quite easy and simple. Let's start painting. So for this I'm using a light green shade and white mixed together. For this area I'm just using a green shade and white. So here you have to do the painting like this way. Just try to use a dry brush, as I already told you, okay, because you are not using water in it. It's just a dry brush painting. I'm using a thick brush, okay, for this area because it's a large area and you have to be very careful, okay, when you are just turning the sides. After every color you have to clean your brush and try to dry it with a tissue, okay, and then go ahead with the next color. Like I have finished with this color and I'm taking yellow and green color mixed together, a little area of green and yellow, and I'm going to have the color here, green and yellow. See, we are going to have light green plus yellow color mixed together, and again I'm telling you it's a dry brush, so you have to be careful. You will not apply water, okay, because it's a dry brush impression. Now take dark green color. I'm taking a dark green color, okay, and I'm going to have it for the bushes. See, you have to be very careful. I'm using the tip of the paint when I'm coming this side. I'm using it like a patch. The color, I'm just taking again a little bit color because the color is going to finish. See, it's like a patch technique, you have to do it.
Using the same technique for the upper part of the tree, take a thin brush and have brown color for the trunk and branches.
Now I have done with the branches. I have used the thin brush. Now with the same brush, with same dark brown, I'm using a lighter shade of brown. Okay, light and dark together. I'm just doing the painting here, this area. Okay, I'm just doing the painting this area because here we have to shade light and dark tones like this. See, the color is blending here like this. We have to do. I'm using light darker shade so the color will blend automatically here because we are not using water medium. Okay. Like this we have to complete. After this we have to take water and just clean our brush and take a tissue. Just try make sure you will make it dry as well. I'm taking the golden color, that is yellowish color. Okay, and I'm using it here. I'm using dark blue and white color mixed together for the mountains. Okay, I'm just using a whiter shade more and blue shade less to apply it here because I'm not having a gray shade. I'm taking blue and white color for the sky. Okay, like this. I am taking light blue and I am going to have it here for the sky. I'm taking white more and blue less here like this, and you have to do it in a patch way to look like, see, some areas are a bit darker shades, some areas light. Just mix both the colors together and start putting it with the brush in a patch way. So wherever you'll come to the corners, just make sure you'll just slant a brush so that the colors will be fine like that. This is how we have done our drawing, and towards the end I have outlined the border and I have outlined black color, and little bit I have done the shading also to give the final effects. Hope you like it. Thank you very much. See you again inshallah next time.